This 5-minute solution will show you how to allow your friends to join your private server on Roblox. Follow me to complete this process. Open your Roblox and sign into your account. And now you have to click on the game where you created your private server. So I'm gonna clicking on my game. And once you are in your game page, here select servers. And as you can see, my server here. Now to customize this server, click on this three dot and click on configure. And here, to allow your friends to join your private server, you have to enable this allow joining option and also enable friends allowed option. Once done, you can directly add your friends to your server by clicking on add people. And now enter here your friend Roblox account username and click on add, and your friend will be added to your private server. Also, you can generate a link for your private server by clicking on generate. Once the link is generated, you can copy this link by clicking here, and you can directly share this link to your friends to join into your private server. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.